Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Geofence. We'll explain our project, which is Geofence. Our project is mainly inspired by the uprising of the COVID-19 cases. This is because of the current situation in Malaysia. All travels may be at risk for getting and spreading the COVID-19 variant. And as the government suggested, quarantine should be encouraged for those who have COVID-19 positive. Yet there are a few people that are still roaming around. There are also cases in IUM, as we all know. The first in the cases that we know is in a statement issued by IUM and is posted on social media account. It says that the student was found to have coronavirus after regular screening procedure held at the university. It says that one of the campus block, Malahali Block A, has been closed for contact tracing and disinfecting procedure. Not even IUM is safe from the COVID, as we all know now. It's really spreading widely in our campus. And I will pass to Brother ADDAD to explain our solution for this problem.
There have been many cases reported that the quarantine patients have breached their quarantine by going outside of their home. Therefore, we introduce a geofencing application which can monitor the location of certain patient within the period of quarantine. These apps will be connected to a server that uses a geofencing technology to create a virtual fence around a patient's home. To use these apps, patients will need to register their phone and ID numbers. These apps use a real-time geofence tracking and it is a breach quarantine detector. This means if the patients go beyond the virtual fence, a notification or alarm will be sent. These apps will surely give a significant impact towards the society. As we know, students are advised to follow the movement control order regulations by the government. Failure to do so will lead to possible prohibition of entering campus until after the MCO is lifted. Specifically in Mahala, returning students of IUM, they are required to undergo a quarantine for 2 weeks. During this duration, this application will come in handy to locate the students during their quarantine period. For the flowchart of the apps, we divided into two. First, the registration system of the apps. The user will need to register using the identification number. If the given ID is invalid, the user might need to fill in again. If it is successful, a virtual fence will be created and activated around the user's place. For the notification system, the user will be notified or alert if either the user is out of quarantine fence or the GPS connection is lost. For the coding, the apps is created using Thunkable and App Inventor. As you can see, these are some part of source codes generated using both of them.
So for the demonstration of the application, there will be three screens that the users will have to go through. First is the login screen, second is the QR screen, and the third one is the geofencing screen. The user will be required to key in their name, metric number, and phone number to begin the tracking of their location. The user will then require to enter the QR code or URL code to start the geofencing on their current location. It is essential for the user to locate to their place of quarantine before they begin of the geofencing location. After entering the QR code, the application will then show the geofencing of the location. So for the user experience, here's a demonstration. As you can see here, I am typing in my name, my metric number, and phone number. After that, I'll be scanning the QR code given by the administrator, and then for the next screen, it will show my location. As you can see here, this is the administrator experience. If you can see the status of the location of the user. That is all from us. Thank you.